Let me explain my excitement. First, my name is Bradford Hermann, and I'm a recycle artist. For the opening of my one-man show at Sidney Byrne Davis Art Center, I have been given the glorious opportunity to make the building part of my art as well by installing 100 handmade coconut ants to the outside front of this historic building.
Let's time-lapse this bitch.
We're going to make these ants, and rather than use a full coconut, we're going to cut these coconuts in half, clean out the meat. It's going to be a spectacle. All right? Maybe not. All right, so leave an answer in the comment section. If it takes 3 coconuts to make 2 ants, how many coconuts does it take to make 100 ants?
Head, thorax, abdomen.
For over 100 ants, I used a drill press to drill 8 holes for legs and vertebrae in each thorax. Ants are invertebrates, but this pipe allows me to join the head, thorax, and abdomen together, and you will shortly see how my design enables me to attach it to the building. So now I'm putting in the legs, and I'm using a torch to melt the plastic and form the legs. These are baby coconuts, but I'm going to use the stems as the antennae. The last 4 ants. And now that these ants are done, I've built a bracket. And this bracket is to adhere the ants without drilling directly into the building and utilizing the natural holes in the coral and limestone exterior.
Thanks for watching. If you'd enjoyed this video, then you'll certainly love the next one, which will be the complete installation and highlights from the show.
Proceeds raised from the ant sales will go to an Ian Relief Fund.
Subscribe.